Welcome friends, my name is Yuri and let's start our weekly market overview. As you know, it is important to write, is it okay, is it clear? Ready, hi, nice to see you here. I see that you attend my every webinar. It's a pleasure to see it. Write please what is the most interesting for you, and also write please all your questions. Hi from Argentina, hi from Ukraine, salute from Ukraine to Argentina. Friends, before we start, write please, as we always do it, write please, is it clear about sound and voice, is it good? Right, sound, voice good, I hear you, I see you good. After that, write please your name, your experience, and where are you from. For example, my name is Yuri. In trading, I since March 2013 trade gold, oil mostly, and currency pairs. Here lead this webinar, or for example, looking for gold idea, looking for how to identify key levels. In this webinar, you can ask different questions also about your trading, and I will answer on all of them. That's why don't shy right now. Write all questions, and those who will be till the end of this webinar, I will do a special gift. That's why you should be till the end of this webinar. It will take approximately 30 minutes, but we will cover a lot of instruments. And also you need to understand that all our overviews will be educational for you, because I will show you how I analyze the market, what I would do, where I would open a position, where I wouldn't open a position, and that will help you to improve your trading in the future. That's why I totally recommend to every one of you be till the end of this webinar. Okay, okay, hi, my name. Okay, hi brother, I'm from Dubai. Yes, hi from Ukraine to Dubai. My friend from my city in Dubai, working there. I'm trading since 2018. I'm from French, Kevin. Hi Kevin, I'll be in France. I have a plan to go there. Forex from Malaysia. Nice to see you here. Still learning from you. You need to understand that it's awesome that you're learning from me, because you always, when we especially were fresher, we need someone who will guide us, because I remember how many mistakes I made when I just learned how to trade. And friends, it took many years, and now I know that I could do it really quickly and save 3 years of studying. Hi from Sweden. You can show how to know support and resistance in easy way. Thanks for help. Yes, I will show you an example of support resistant key level, how to build it. Are you a part of IM Mastery Academy? I work for myself. I don't part of some academy at this moment. Hello, what about Euro USD? Yes, we will cover Euro USD. We will cover all major instruments. Okay, friends. I see that everything good with voice sound. Pleasure. That's why. Yes, I write about US oil. Friends, before we start this webinar, please push like, because you know that YouTube will show it for more people. If you don't pay for it, for me it's good, because when you push like, YouTube shows this video for more people. That's why just do it please, and if you don't mind, and let's go. Don't forget Bitcoin, please. Yes, we will do Bitcoin as always. How we will work: first, major currency pairs, after that gold, oil, after that Bitcoin, and any instruments which you would like to ask. If you would ask some currency pairs or some stocks, we also can search it, because my trading system, it works on all markets, okay. Okay, friends, let's start our overview. Let's start. Yes, today I would like to use my my trading platform, because for me it's easier to use it for analysis. And that will be the best for us. That's why, friends, all questions, please, when you will have some question, when you will have some instruments which will be interesting for you, what you need to do is just write that instrument to me. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's start, as I spoke before, let's start from major currency pairs. After that we will do some other. Hi Yuri, I'm a European Ecuadorian and I have been a trader for 2 years ago. Yes, it's good that you start trading, and it's good path to earn money. It doesn't matter where you live, even you live some poor country or something like that. Only your knowledge will help you, will judge you. Friends, about your USD, at this moment, as you see price nearly this key level, you can see it here. From which price bounced so many times. Some of you asked me about key level, how to identify key level. You need to understand key level, it's some place where something important happened. For example, big players change trend, deep pullback happened. It is a key places where someone need to open huge position, where a lot of volume come into the market. At this moment we have this key level 1.10, also it is a round number, and that would be a good entry. If price will break it down, we will have accurate sell entry. That's why at this moment you should wait about it. Because why I think about sell at this moment? Because Euro USD came back to this key level third time. Mostly when price came back third time, it after that we will see breakout. The same like here, as you see, price came back first time, second time, and third time. That's why after that that would be accurate mirror level to open sell. How do you enter using hourly time frame? It doesn't matter what time frame I use. First I need a key level. After that I wait for false breakout, and after false breakout I open a position. Okay. Love your gold Convent Hong from Singapore. I love your gold analysis. I also love my gold analysis, and I do it because I mostly love to trade gold. Okay, go ahead. British pound. British pound still in this range. Price still in this accumulation. With huge possibility there will be breakout of that. At this moment there is no accurate entry. Mostly price is bullish because as you see price above this key zone from which price bounced so many times. With huge possibility price will continue uprise. Best entry will be when price will break out this range, this accumulation. It will be best entry nearly this key level to continue uprise. Also it's important to pay attention on this key level, because in mid-term price can hit this level, and from that level there could be a powerful pullback. That's why pay attention about British pound, and there so soon there could be accurate entry. Friends, write please, is it clear? Do you see everything good? Maybe you have some additional questions. Hello from Mexico, what is your rate of winner? You need to understand about system. Using one system, one trading can have 30% of profit entries, someone can have 50. I have nearly 50%. My risk reward in every position is 1 to 5, 1 to 4. That means even with 20% of profit entries, 25, I still makes money. That's why for me it's okay, it's awesome. Euro British pound, Euro British pound, friends. As you see price so close to this key level, it is historical low. It is an example of powerful level for you. It is a place, it is a trend change point from which price started new trend, and when price will hit this level first time, with huge possibility we will see powerful bounce. That's why I recommend to you to pay attention to this key level. After that we will be able to buy. British pound, Japanese yen, price in this range, in this accumulation, nearly better to say even more than 1 month. Best entry will be if price will break out this range, or if price will break it down. As you see, we have key points on the chart from which price bounced several times. That's why we should use it. Yes, Yuri. Yuri, is the only problem I have is entering the trade, because when I wait for trade just to goes. Is there a way of enter user? Yes, the a way how to use it. I teach it on my trading course. How to use to open position even on lower time frame. How to use multi time frame analysis. You can below this live. You can find a link on my assistant. You can write about education, and we will teach you how to trade. Clear, it's perfect, thank you. Go ahead about euro Japanese yen. At this moment, price in this horrible sideways move, at this moment there is no entry. There would be entry only if price will break it up, and we will have a key place here, because take a look on this key level from which price bounced several times. Some of you asked me about how to identify key levels on a chart. As you see, I show so many examples of key levels. Friends, all of this, it's real examples which I really trade, and that's, I recommend you be till the end of this webinar, because there will be some bonuses for everyone who is here. Okay, euro British pound. I just did euro British pound. You will be able to see it after. Okay, euro Canadian. Yes, friends, write all your currencies and we will do it. New Zealand, friends, New Zealand, in this accumulation there will be really a good entry only if the price will break it out. It is not good to trade when price inside, especially inside in such accumulation. Yes, I am watching on New Zealand at this moment. It's not good to trade in such stuff. Price so close to this key level, as you see from this style, price drop down. If price will break it up nearly that level, we will have accurate entry. That's all. Go ahead to Australian. The same stuff. Price in sideways moves, and at this moment we don't have any direction. And if we are honest, it is worse than New Zealand. That's why also I'm out from this currency pair. Canadian, price close to this key level. As you see, it is important level from which price started all this drop. It is a border of whole accumulation. What would be the best to do here? First, if price will break it up, we will be able to open accurate buy position only in that case. At this moment, open some position, it's hard. Why? Because price in this range, where big players will get volume in this place? Nowhere. That's why it is not good to trade inside, in the middle. You are off course on the. You are off course on the camera. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? You are off course on the camera. British pound Australia. Yes, I will do it. Focus on the camera. I have two monitors. And I need to see on right monitor I see all your comments. On left monitor we have this chart. Friends, don't forget to push like. Please push like if you think this is useful. It will help YouTube to share this video with more people. Go ahead to other instruments. Swiss franc, friends. About Swiss franc, as you see, Swiss franc also in the range. I don't recommend to trade when price in a range. Why? Because here it is so hard to take your risk reward, to set proper stop loss. That's why what will be the best? We have this mirror level from which price, as you see, bounced several times. What will be the best? If price will break it up, we will have accurate buy entry, because it is also a round number. That's why pay attention to this key level. The image is blurry. Okay, thanks. Yeah, it's useful and nice. Thank you, ready. Thank you to read it. It's pleasure to see such feedbacks. Okay, friends, go ahead. As you see, we are covering all major instruments. It's a few instruments left. About Japanese yen, price every low become higher and higher. What does it mean? Also we have this key level from which price made this powerful drop. You need to understand, if price will break it up, we will have accurate buy entry, and also it will be a signal for mid-term uptrend, because after such accumulation, huge accumulation, my apology, huge accumulation and other stuff, price was so close to a new year low. It's also important place from which price can bounce. That's why wait for this level. At this moment, what I can tell you, at this moment there is no entry. I would personally open buy, as I told, if price will break it up. Hi, my champ. I am Ahmed from Egypt. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, people from Egypt. I think it's warm there because in Ukraine we have snow, we have cold, 10 degrees below zero. It's Euro Canadian. Yes, I'll do Euro Canadian. Yes, friends, I'll do Euro Canadian. Friends, go ahead. Go ahead. Gold. As you see, gold bounced from this mirror level on lower time frame. At this moment, what I can tell you, such bounce, price bounced from this level third time. If be honest, I don't like such stuff and third time price bounce. We have a possibility that price still will hit this key level, this mirror level from which price is bounced so many times, because on gold, how better to say, I need to show you a futures on a gold, you will understand. On a gold we have such picture, take a look, key level from which price bounced so many times, and also it was a range. Range, it is a place where big players accumulate a position. And at this moment, it looks like price has a possibility to hit again this range, and after that start powerful drop. Because if you would check any of previous powerful rise, you will see that price always before makes such accumulation. That's why at this moment price in such huge accumulation, and if there will be false breakout of that level, I would personally open sell position, because it will be really accurate sell position. That's why at this moment wait for gold. I would personally do not open buy, because price came to this level a third time. It will not be accurate. Can you do silver, please? Max Westphal from Botswana. Yes, I will do it. Euro USD, I did Euro USD for a start. Euro Canadian, yes, I will do Euro Canadian. Friends who think this is useful, just push like right now, push like, and that's all. Okay, first I will do US oil. To be honest, as you see, I hold sell position on US oil, and what I can show it to you, it is a real sell position at this moment. 1 hour candle close below. If be honest, I would hold my sell position. As you see, I have take profit here, 200 pips. With huge possibility price will continue down drop. Why? Because here was a range, as you see, a range, and when price broke it down, price made a trap here, and after that price broke it up here, but eventually daily candle closed below this key level, as you see, and it is after such trap, I think with huge possibility price will continue down drop. That's why I open sell here and sell that signal to my VIP members. You can check it. I sent all signals to VIP members, as you see. Sell by market when I open a position. That's why you can be a part of our VIP signals, because as you see, every position which I open on my real 300,000 account, I send it to my VIP signals for people who follow me, because I think I can share this stuff publicly. UK oil, okay, I'll do UK oil. Yes, Yuri, it's bouncing, and to be honest, I don't use FIBO at this moment. There was a time when I used a FIBO, but at this moment, friends, I understood that FIBO doesn't help me. Sometimes it even distracts. That's why those of you who would like to be part of my VIP signal service, you should write to my assistant Valerie. You will find a link even on TradingView. You can find a link to my assistant Valerie. I want to share it with you. Here is the link. Telegram.
Welcome friends, my name is Yuri.
And
in this video I will show
those of
you
you
my
who
thoughts
want to
about Bitcoin,
get signals with best propositions, with best proposition, with lowest price and special offer for 3 months and 1 year, you should write now to Valerie. Okay, I'm holding oil sales. Valerie hasn't given any discount yet. Write to Valerie write to Valerie, she will do that proposition. Okay, friends, about UK oil, someone asked about UK oil. You need to understand, UK oil and US oil, they are similar and mostly they will move together. That's why what do I recommend to you if price will do some pullback to open sell position, because with huge possibility they will move together. Good. Okay, British pound, Japan USD. I heard they all dropping. Yes, I will check it. Okay, friends, we covered our major instruments, and now let's go to some instruments which you wrote about. Okay, first what I see is British pound. Yes, we did British pound, euro, British pound, yes, euro, Canadian, British pound, New Zealand, Canadian, Swiss franc. Okay, first is Canadian Swiss franc. Okay, I think it's better to open TradingView because there's so many instruments and it will take a lot of time to just search for it. That's why let's do it through TradingView and it will be better for every one of us. Okay, friends, all your instruments write into a chart and all your questions. Maybe you have some questions about trading. I will help you with that. Just write it into a chart. And also a few words about my YouTube channel. I recommend every one of you subscribe on our YouTube channel because we recorded educational videos and now we will publish it for free. That's why here is a link on a playlist. I recommend every one of you to open that playlist, save it, because you will be able to learn many stuff from that videos. Okay, Canadian dollars versus Swiss franc. Okay, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Friends, I think you remember that those who will be till the end of this webinar will get special bonus. That's why I totally recommend to you to be here. Friends, as you see, we had such key level from which price bounced, dropped. At this moment, price more bearish. Why? Because here was a trap, huge accumulation of volume, and technically price in downtrend at this moment. Why in downtrend? Because every low lower and every high higher, every high lower. And at this moment I recommend to just open sell after pullbacks. That's all. Okay, British pound, New Zealand. British pound, New Zealand, price bounced again from this key level. Take a look here. As you see, price bounced again from this key level, from which price bounced so many times. At this moment, price is bullish. Why? Because price bounced and it is above key level. Best is to open buy after some pullback at this moment. Only if price will break it down and daily candle will close below, that will be a signal to start selling. Good. Go ahead, Euro Canadian. Friends, I will answer on all instruments which you send. After that we will cover Bitcoin and other crypto. At this moment, Euro Canadian, as you see, price made false breakout of this key level, and at this moment there is no good buy position. Best is to open sell after some pullback, because as you see, price were in a range, there were a breakout. Such breakout, it was a trap, because after that price didn't rise, and everyone who opened buy position here were trapped, and also everyone who holds sell position here in this range were hit stop loss. His stop loss of sell, it is buy, and that's why price at this moment bearish. Price is bearish. What else? British pound, New Zealand, yes I did. Euro Canadian, Euro British, yes I did. New Zealand, yes I did. British pound, United States dollar, I did. Australian, British pound versus Australian. Australian. As you see, price also here in up trend, and at this moment take a look, price bounced from this accumulation, body of this accumulation. At this moment price is bullish. Best is to open buy after pullback. Only if price will break it down, there would be some sell entry, only in that case. Price is bullish at this moment. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Price in such, as you see, price in such up channel. At this moment price near border of this channel, yes, you can open a position if you trade channels. I personally don't trade channels. It would be only your personal decision. About trend, as you see, a few days ago, a few weeks ago, price broke up this trend, and at this moment, as you see, we have such trend line, and technically it is a bullish picture. Technically, that's why you can open buy position. Okay, go Euro Canadian, we did. UK oil, yes we did. How do you decide which way the trend will go when it comes to key level? Everything depends how price will approach to key level. If it approach sharply with huge possibility, price will bounce. Sir, please make video on ATR. I recorded it. That's the reason why you should subscribe on my YouTube channel. In a few days, in 1 week or 2, I will publish it. We have a plan of which video we publish first. That's why right now open YouTube channel and subscribe. Try to put in your hand up to your camera, and it will autofocus again. What do you mean? Is it okay with camera now? Okay. Can you make a free Telegram group with maybe 2-3 signals per week with accurate entry and important stuff? And why should I do it? Free signals. You have whole trading view for free. Whole trading view. You have YouTube for free. And what else? Maybe I should clean your house for free or something like that. It took 6 years to understand the market. What else you want to for free? Just tell me. Maybe I should send money to you for free. New Zealand Canadian dollar. New Zealand Canadian dollar. Because I blew out so many accounts and now someone asked for free. Okay. At this moment, New Zealand Canadian, as you see, price close to this mirror level, and if be honest, technically it is a bullish picture, and if price will come back to this key level, you can open buy position. And if price, you need to understand, best will be buy after pullback, and also it is around number 85027. Actually, yeah, that's cruelly rude for asking him for free signals. Because friends, I started my path when I was in university, and I had nothing. My father died when I was 10 years old. 3 years I worked on a job, and before job I spent 2 hours to learn the market, and after 2 hours to learn the market, and 10-12 hours per working per day, and it took 3 years in such schedule I worked. And after that, when someone asked for free, oh my god, There are a lot of scammers who will send you everything for free. You can use them and it will be okay for you. Appreciate his great service here. Okay, worth the investment to join with no doubt. Thank you for such warm, great job. Fully understand your feeling here. Okay, thank you, sir. I see Canadian short. If you see Canadian, Japanese yen short, you can open short. Who restrict you? You can do it. You can do it. Okay, friends. What other instrument? I did British pound, Japanese yen, British pound USD. Okay, good. Nasdaq, yes, I'll do Nasdaq after Bitcoin. After Bitcoin, I'll do Nasdaq, or no, better indexes before, and crypto will be the last. Okay, go to the indexes. Nasdaq. All indexes is bullish, as I spoke many days before. They totally bullish because they broke out this accumulation. As you see, you can check price were in this triangle so many days. Take a look here, in triangle, bounce. At this moment, best is to open buy after pullback. If price will do some pullback, even here we have such mirror level. It is not accurate, but if price do pull back, just open buy, as it's all. It's the best way to trade American indexes at this moment. Yuri, any market you're looking at, can you show us top down analysis, please? What do you mean by top down analysis? I don't understand, because I'm not a native speaker and some phrases for me is not clear. S&P 500 is the same stuff. Price totally bullish, as you see. Daily chart, such every low higher, breakout, pullback, and up price. Best is open buy after pullback. That's all. Yuri, when did you first start trading? It was March 2013. I was a student and I was in a dorm, and one roommate, friend of my roommate, came into our dorm and said that you can trade, you can make money, because I was from a really poor family, and it took times. Okay, I want to know your story. Sometimes I think I will ask someone to record a whole video about my biography. I think we will do it and publish it on YouTube. That's why you should follow my YouTube and you will see it. Okay, friends, about indexes, American indexes, as I just told, buy after pullbacks. That's all. American indexes. European indexes, also the same. Key level, price also they bullish. Just open buy after pullback. That's all. Euro 50 also, as you see, price in a range, breakout, bull trap, price broke down, bearish trap, and now price can rise. Oh my god, big players don't even what they do with retail traders. Oh my god. US 200 also up price, huge up price. Friends, as I speak, at this moment, indexes all up. Okay, we're done with indexes, and let's go to cryptocurrencies. Friends, please push like if you think this is useful. This is really useful, and you think this this stream should see more people, because when you push like, YouTube show it to more people. I would be grateful for you. How did you learn to trade? First, how did I learn to trade? First, I have such diary where I write all my trades. It is every trade which I made last 3 or even 4 years. I have many diaries. It is a first way. Second, I have a mentor, and my education cost for me 20,000 euro per year at this moment. That's why I did a lot. Believe me, gold. You forget gold. I did gold. Believe me, I did gold. I remember. Pushed like already. Thank you. Did you US oil sell? Yes, sell US oil. Okay, friends. As I spoke before, we go to crypto at this moment, and let's take a look what will be with crypto. Because we did all other instruments. Can you do natural gas? My apology, but we did everything, and now we do crypto only. Okay, friends, about crypto, you can check my trading view ideas, and many times I spoke here. The big players made a trap, but it's so sad on trading view. When you write about buy Bitcoin, there is a lot of likes. When you write about sell Bitcoin, it's everyone writes that you are some piece of I don't want to tell of what. At this moment, you need to understand. I want to show you a logic. Just imagine price were in a range. When price in a range, many traders open sell position and buy in the same time. After that, price broke down, and everyone who hold buy position were trapped. After that, price made this dramatically uprise. Everyone who holds sell position were trapped and hit stop loss. After that, everyone who opened buy position, price hit stop loss again. Do you need to understand that it is how big players work? They hit stop losses, accumulate position. Nothing changed for the last decade, last century. At this moment with crypto, the best will be is to open sell after pullbacks. Price will do false breakout of if price will do false breakout of this key level, you can open sell position and hold it till at least this range, till 6,000, 5,500. Yuri, is there any book you would recommend about trading? Not about book. I recommend to you to read Ray Dalio Principles. It is not a book about trading directly, but I recommend everyone to read Ray Dalio. It is the richest trader in the world. And about crypto, next up price will be only after such accumulation like it was here. You can count how many months price were in such range, or just imagine price were in range here how many months. Only after that we will see some uprise, and only after that some altcoins like Ethereum, Ripple or something like that will start uprising. Okay, friends, it is the end of our webinar. I promised every one of you I promised some gift. Right, please, is it interesting to you to get something special which I didn't do before? Friends, right, please. I would like to see more. Yes, you. Yes, Ray Dalio. Friends, only three person would like to see something additional. I would like to share with you my way of how I made some trading decision last week, previous week. Right, please, is it interesting to you to see how I opened a position on my personal account? What's your take profit on your oil USD? Such recommendation where to say take profit, where to set stop loss, I do only for VIP members. You can check for VIP, when VIP member asks something, I reply on everything. Also, you can check here when VIP members ask something, I do something like this also. Just take a look here. Someone asked me something and I record a video. Someone asked me something and take a look like here. and I record a video. That's why many people ask me, and I record a video and answer on all. If you will be a VIP, you will get all your answers. That's why, as I spoke before, you can write to my assistant Valerie. Right now, those who will choose 3 months, 1 year, will get special condition at this moment. Okay, friends, I see that it will be interesting for you. Yes, I would do. Let's do. I will show you how I analyze a chart if there will be 45 like on this stream, because I see only 37 and it is 58 people and only 8 likes, and after that we will do it. I will show you how I made these entries, and believe me, it will help you to understand how to trade better, and it will help you. You will understand a little bit how I think about trading, how I make decisions. Okay, 41 friends. We need 4 additional. This is a result of my previous week. It is 4,800 of profit. I think it's enough to live for a week. I think everyone can survive with that money in your countries. In my country, especially in Ukraine, when average salary is nearly 300 USD per month. Just imagine, in 1 week I earned the same as average person in my country per year. In 1 week, just imagine, in 1 week, friends. We need 3 likes, and after that we will do it. I will show you how I made my decision, and will share with you my logic with some entries. Friends, 3 likes, only 3 likes additional, and we will do it. Friends, I would wait 1 more minute if there will be not 45 likes, I think, or 44. If there will be not enough likes, we will finish it, because okay, good 46, we can do it. Okay, first I want to share with you logic of my entry which I have at this moment. It is oil. As you see, why I would like to share with you my thoughts about oil, why I open sell position here. As I spoke before to you, price were in a range, in this range, and also we had a mirror level here. It is a place where big players accumulate a position, and when the price broke up this accumulation, you need to understand the logic how market works. When the price broke up the range, everyone who holds sell position was stopped. Just imagine, everyone who opened sell here and didn't close it was stopped. Everyone who opened sell here because price rose up also was stopped, and price close above and accumulate for a few hours, for 1 day above that level, and according even to key level strategy, you open buy position when price above key level. That's why many traders open buy here, because it was a buy signal. Technically it was buy signal, but even I open buy here. I will show you how I open buy, and price hit my break even in that point. After that, price broke down. That's why everyone who opened buy here were trapped. That's why nearly this mirror level from which price bounced so many times, I open sell position and set such reasonable stop loss, and my take profit is 7 times bigger than my risk. That's how I made this entry. That was all reason why I did it. Also, a few examples about all my oil trades. I would like to share with you all my oil trades. I think it will be enough. Where is this? No, where is oil? Okay, US oil. Okay, all my oil trades for the last week. Take a look here. As I spoke before, price were in a range, but if you would take a look here, price broke up this range, but for our candle didn't close above. It was a trap. And also after such candle, this candle, when we see such candle, price rose up but eventually closed below key level again. Price closed below key level again. That means here price shows sell signal, and it was a second sell signal. And after that, when price were here, I set sell stop with take profit below this key level, below this mirror level from which price bounced. And here I took what was my take profit in this entry. I want to share it with you. Where is it? Sell 2,900. Take a look. I got 3 stop losses and 1 entry, recovered all stop losses, and I after that I was in a profit. Many of you ask how many entries you need to be profitable, but if you have such risk reward ratio like here, you can have 40% entries and you profitable. Believe me, when you have 50% entries, profit with good risk reward ratio, I would personally pay money for you. If you would have, for example, 50% entries with risk reward 1 to 5, I would personally pay for you 500 USD per month. Just send to me such signals, but with statistic. Yuri, I love your chart colors, man. Had to copy black charts. You're making me blind. I'm considered to start doing it with black chart if it will be if many people will ask about it. I'll do it on a black chart. I set stop loss first. Stop loss I set technical or mathematical. What is technical? Above false breakout or below false breakout, or here is mathematical. It is nearly 10% or 20% of average daily move. Take profit just into 4 or 5 times bigger, but before powerful level. My apology, friends. About this entry, and few words about this entry. Here is my stop loss. It was this stop loss, as you see, 648 USD, and I got stop loss here. Price made false breakout, as you see, but that happened. What I can tell you. After that, I opened buy here. Why I opened buy here? Because mostly price moves with such cycle of two wave, and I know how to recognize that cycle because and also many stop losses were hit here. And you need to understand when price did some powerful uprise, and after that price do slowly pull back, and when it hit some powerful level, mostly there will be rehigh or even second wave the same as first was. That's why I opened buy position here. And what I got here, friends, I got accurate entry with low risk. A few seconds, please. I would delete all this stuff. But you can check here. I would like to show to you lower time frame. Before you learn to start trade on really huge money, you need to learn multi-time frame analysis. Because take a look on lower time frame, there were a level from which price bounced. After that, price made such a false breakout, and after that, I opened buy positions. That's all. And also about this buy, if you would open futures, on futures price made false breakout of this key level. That's why I open buy to continue uprise. If be honest, I thought price will start uprising because it broke up accumulation, but after that, as you see, price made rehigh. After that, I moved into break even because I didn't have good feeling about that, and price hit my break even, and at this moment you see what's going on. Friends, write please in a chat if was it useful which I just showed to you. Write please in a chat, was it useful? The success rate is low, but you only need a few trades to be profitable, so that is why yes. I worked in a fixed broker 1 year, and I didn't saw a trader who had more than 50% of profit entries and leave from the market. But what I saw, those guys who really live from the market, who earn and only trade. They had sometimes 30% of profit entry, sometimes 40. Why? Because of risk reward. Risk reward is the most powerful stuff in trading. Yes, was very good. The bull and bear trap was excellent. Did you talk about? Yes, I did. You'll be able to find the gold. Black background with the blue candle and red for down candles. Mm, I didn't. I will consider about black background. Friends, also about education. I recorded a course about education, and if you love my strategy, you can join, and you can learn how to trade according to real strategy. Because as you see, all my examples is on a real account. I fully transparent. I share all my signals with VIP members, and you can learn how to trade by yourself, because a system works on all markets, on currency pairs, on gold, oil, indexes, on everything. And that's why I totally recommend to every one of you to write to my assistant Valerie about education and join us, because at this moment, believe me, proposition is the best about additional options like face-to-face session with me. Yuri is Trump, and that's why I trust you. Thank you, pleasure to read it. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Share this video if you think it was useful with your friends, and have a good evening. Bye.